Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to guide you that how you can add email to your Roblox account. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. First thing you need to do is to open your Roblox application on your device. Once you do so, you will find the option More, the three dots here. You need to tap on that one. And from here, in this menu, you need to tap on Settings. From here, you need to tap on Account Info. So once you tap on Account Info, this menu will appear where you will see email address, and I did not add any email address here, as you can see. So all I need to do is to tap on Add Email Address. First thing, you need to enter your email address here. So I will type in my email address first. So guys, once you enter your email address, if you want to receive emails from Roblox about announcement, updates and offers, you can check this one. If you're not, you need to disable that one and then just tap on Add Email. So the next step is that you need to verify that it is you. So you need to enter your password, the Roblox password here, and then verify that it's actually you. So I will enter my password first. So once you enter your password, all you need to do is to tap on Verify. So once you tap on Verify, then an email has been sent for verification. So you need to tap on OK. Now you need to go to the email to verify your email address. So I will go and find the email that they have sent me. So guys, as you can see, I received this email. All I need to do is to tap on verify the email. So once you tap on verify the email, it will bring you to a browser, and here they say that thank you, your email has been verified. So now I will go back to the application to show it to you. Once you open now the application, it will take a bit of time. I guess I have to refresh the settings page. I will go back and account info. It will take a bit of time to load. And as you can see now, the email address has been added and verified as well. So guys, this is all it takes to add an email to your Roblox account. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We need your support. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take a good care of yourself.